Hello everyone, welcome to the Bug Expert channel. In this video, we will talk about the Fall Guys failed to start the game error. Fall Guys uses easy anti-cheat software to block cheaters. If easy anti-cheat software does not run in the background or is not installed in any way, it may cause various errors. The failed to start the game problem encountered in this error reveals such an error output because the easy anti-cheat software is not installed in the Fall Guys game. So, let's get started. We will verify the game file integrity and ensure to scan and download any missing or faulty files. Access the library menu by opening the Epic Games program. Click on the three dots on Fall Guys and open the Manage menu. Click Verify on the screen that opens. After this process, the download will be performed by scanning the damaged game files. After the process is finished, try to open the game again. We can fix this problem by installing easy anti-cheat software in Fall Guys. First, let's get to the Fall Guys game folder. Open the Easy Anti-Cheat folder in the Game folder. Open the Easy Anti-Cheat setup file on the screen that opens. If the Easy Anti-Cheat program is not installed, select the Fall Guys game and click the Install Easy Anti-Cheat button below. If the Easy Anti-Cheat program is installed, select Current Game 591 and click the Repair Service button below. After the process completes successfully, you can check if the issue still persists. If it did not work after this process, delete Easy Anti-Cheat and reinstall it. Open the Easy Anti-Cheat setup file in the folder again. Uninstall by selecting the Game 591 option in the option on the screen that opens, and pressing the Uninstall option at the bottom left. Then select the Game 591 option again. Click the Install Easy Anti-Cheat button below and perform the installation process. After this process, you can run Fall Guys game and check if the problem still persists. Disabling the Easy Anti-Cheat service may cause us to encounter such a problem. For this, we can eliminate the problem by activating the Easy Anti-Cheat service. In the Start search screen, type Services and open it. Double-click the Easy Anti-Cheat service on the screen that opens. After this process, set the Startup Type option to Manual and click the Apply button to save the process. After performing this action, check if the issue still persists by following the suggestion below. Disable any antivirus program you use or delete it completely from your computer. If you are using Windows Defender, disable it. In the Start search screen, type Virus and Threat Protection and open it. Then click on Manage Settings. Scroll down the menu bar and click on Ransomware Protection. Turn off controlled folder access on the screen that opens. Then come back and set Real-Time Protection to off. After performing this operation, we will need to add the Fall Guys game files as an exception. Scroll down the menu bar and select Add or Remove Exclusions under Exclusions. Select Add an exclusion and then select the folders Fall Guys and Easy Anti-Cheat saved on your disk. After the process has been applied successfully, we can run the Fall Guys game comfortably by restarting the computer. If your problem persists, check if your Windows operating system is up to date. For this, we will check with the Windows Update Assistant program. Let's type Windows Update Assistant in Google search and search. Let's download the Windows Update Assistant program by visiting the Microsoft site. After the download is complete, open the program and check if your Windows operating system is up to date. If your operating system is not up to date, you can update your operating system by pressing the Update Now button. Do not shut down your computer before your process is complete. I hope the suggestions in the video led to the solution of the problem. You can subscribe to support the channel by liking the video. Thank you for your support.